What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we'll be talking about top 3 smartphones which you can get under 10,000 rupees. Now you can use the smartphone for gaming or for your online lectures or for video streaming. So let's jump into it. Now the very first smartphone in our list is from Redmi and it's the Redmi 9 Prime. Now first, before going into that, if your budget is above 10,000, above 15,000, we also have a video on that too. Check in the link in the description below. Now talking about the Redmi 9 Prime specifications. Now talking about the display of this phone, it comes with a 6.53 inch of IPS LCD display with a teardrop notch consisting of 8 megapixel selfie camera. On the back side we have a plastic back, and above that we have a camera of 13 megapixel quad camera setup. Now below that we have a 5020 mAh of battery powering the MediaTek Helio G80 processor inside it. Now talking about the base storage of this phone, starts at the 4 plus 64 gigabytes of storage with expandable memory card slot. Before talking about the price, the phone is available in 4 colors, and now the price of this phone is pretty consistent over the time, and it's at 10,000 rupees. And by the way, if you're liking the content which you are seeing, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Now taking a look at the next smartphone in our list, it's the Poco M2. Now this smartphone was launched at rupees 13,000 and now its price has come down to under 10,000 rupees. So let's find out its specifications and the other features. Now talking the specification about the Poco M2, it's almost the same as the Redmi 9 Prime. The only difference which we can say between the Poco M2 and the Redmi 9 Prime is that the Poco M2 comes without any bloat, which means you will not able to see any kind of ads and other things which were being able to seen on Redmi 9 Prime. Now it also comes with a 6.53 inch of IPS LCD panel above 8 megapixel of selfie camera, and behind that we have a quad camera setup and the 5000 mAh battery below that powering the MediaTek Helio G80 processor. Now the difference over here is that this phone comes with the base storage of 6 plus 64 gigabytes of storage, and also the price is now reduced from 13,000 to 10,000 only. Now the next smartphone in our list is the Realme Narzo 20. Now talking about this phone, it's a part of Realme Narzo 20 series, comparing with Realme Narzo 20 and the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. So talking about the specification, it comes with a 6.5 inch of IPS LCD panel, and on top of that we have a 8 megapixel of selfie camera comprising of triple camera setup of 48 megapixel main sensor. Now the battery is compared to the higher side compared to other smartphones in our list at 6000 mAh, and the processor is also slightly better at MediaTek Helio G85. Now the RAM is of 4 plus 64 gigabytes of storage, and now if we compare the price of this phone related to other two, the price is slightly on the higher side at 500 rupees more at 10,500 rupees. Now if you're wondering for a non-Chinese smartphone, then we have a Samsung M11 under this price range. Now I won't be going into specification of this phone, but this is the to-go phone for the non-Chinese brand under 10,000 rupees. It comes with a punch hole camera and a triple camera setup on the back. So I hope you like this video, and if you do end up liking this video, please do subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.